Advertisers pay $2 at this point in time. They pay $2.74 per 1,000 views. Really? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. I appreciate you guys for watching. My name is Reni, and on this channel I do fashion, finance, and lifestyle content. So I'm all about making conversations about money less awkward. I know that money can be a very awkward topic, but here I'm gonna make it less awkward for you. So today I'm gonna talk about how much money I have made on YouTube. I have officially been on YouTube for 1 year. Super excited. Round of applause, round of applause. But I am grateful for how far I've come in this past year, and I want to share with you how much money I've made on YouTube so far. How much money do you think that YouTube pays me on a monthly basis? Leave that below. I really want to know what you think, and think of what my stats are. So I have about 6,500 followers at this moment. I think I post once a week, and I've been monetized since September. And while you are guessing, I also want you to click that like button because it really helps my channel grow. Before I go any further, I want to say thank you to each and every one of you for watching this video, for engaging, for commenting, for subscribing, for anything that you've done to support my channel. I really appreciate you, and it means the world. Like 1 year ago when I started this, who would have thought I would have 7,000 or 6,000 subscribers by now? Like, wow.
Oh my God! Wow!
It means a lot. So thank you all. I appreciate you so much, and I hope you will continue with me on this journey as continue to post. So if you've written your guess now, good. And then I'll tell you about it in just a minute. So if you are thinking of joining YouTube for the money because you think you're going to become a millionaire off of YouTube immediately and blah blah blah, I just want you to know YouTube does not pay like that. It is not that kind of well, it pays for some people, but for the average person, they are not able to live off of their YouTube money. But if you put enough effort and time, honestly, I think anyone can do it. However, it requires a lot of work. YouTube is not some easy like get rich quick scheme. Definitely not. A lot of people do blow on YouTube and they make 20,000 a month, or they make a lot of money a month, but the average person, you know, that's not how it works. So I'm gonna tell you what me, the average person, is making on YouTube. And before I discuss the numbers, let's talk about how people actually get paid on YouTube, because I think a lot of people don't know how anyone gets paid. I know I thought I knew, but I didn't really know. So when you first start, you start posting videos on YouTube, and you're just posting, you're not getting paid, ain't no payment that's coming to your to your bank account. You're posting because you need to first get accepted into the YouTube Partner Program. And what this YouTube Partner Program is essentially, it's like a club that they invite you to, and once you are in that program, you can start getting paid and you can monetize all your videos. So that's what most people's goal is when they get on YouTube. They want to be accepted into this YouTube Partner Program and then monetize their videos. The thing is, in the past, you didn't need any special regulations or rules, or there was nothing that prevented you from getting into the YouTube Partner Program. You could just, once you've posted your first video, you could apply and join the YouTube Partner Program. Now, on the other hand, you need to reach 4,000 watch hours on YouTube, and you need to reach 1,000 subscribers on YouTube in order to be accepted. So some people have thousands and thousands, like they have a viral video, hundreds of thousands of views, even 1 million views, but they have maybe a few hundred subscribers. They are not getting paid any money from YouTube. Zero, zilch, nada. They're not getting paid anything from ads on YouTube. And there are other people who have thousands and thousands of subscribers, but they don't have enough watch time on their videos. So it's rough out here. You need to reach both watch hours and you need to reach subscribers within 1 year. So it is a lot. So when I say 4,000 watch hours, that means somebody is watching your video for people are watching your video for 4,000 hours. Just 240,000 minutes, which is like somebody watching your video for 166 days straight. So it is not an easy feat. It may sound easy at first, but honestly, it is not easy unless you get a video that goes viral, you know, then it gets a lot easier. Or if you already have a huge following somewhere else and people are going to follow on YouTube and blow your videos up, then you can easily get that. But for the average person, as I said, we have to work for that monetization. When I first started, I started posting twice a week, and the reason for this was because I wanted to reach those that watch hour goals. I wasn't really concerned about the subscribers because I was like, okay, at this point I have about 1,500 followers on Instagram. I can get a lot of those people to follow me on YouTube, you know, it's no big deal. But those watch hours, it's one thing to get people to subscribe, but it's another thing to get them to watch on a regular basis. That's the struggle. It was slow at first until I had a video that went a little bit viral, and then that really helped me with my watch hours. But it was a long process. I even joined groups on Facebook that teach you about how to get watch time. I asked my friends, hey guys, please watch my videos. Even if you're not really paying attention, just watch my videos. It helps me with my watch time and blah, 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 blah. All these things to just make sure that I could get my watch time in order because I wanted to be paid for my hard work that I was doing on YouTube. And I'm sure all of you do as well. And if you are a YouTuber, 2 apps that I recommend is YouTube Studio and YouTube Tracker. I believe YouTube Tracker is only available on iOS. Don't quote me, but yeah, those are 2 apps that I use to track my progress, and they are very, very helpful. I don't want you to have to wait till the end of the video to know how much I've made on YouTube, so let's just get into how much I actually made. I have made $4,000 US on YouTube. Yeah, no, I don't know. Yeah, I've made $4,000 US, which is about 5,000 something dollars Canadian dollars on YouTube. So yeah, I would say it's not like, obviously I cannot live off of $4,000 in Canada, but I can definitely use that extra source of income and invest that money, or just live off that. Yeah, so that's what I've been doing. I've been investing all the money that I made from YouTube, and it's I'm very happy about the amount that I've made so far, but hopefully, obviously, I want to increase it for this year. $4,000 and being monetized for 8 months. So yeah, so I reached monetization in September of 2020, and I was super excited. I then created my AdSense account, and what AdSense is how they pay you on YouTube. So they pay you through the AdSense account and it goes directly to your bank account. I also, what else? Then I applied for the partner program. So I applied for the YouTube partner program and I got accepted within 2 days. One thing they don't tell you is that some people meet this 4,000 hours, they meet this 1,000 subscribers, and they still don't get accepted into the YouTube partner program because maybe you're watching your own videos on like 5 different browsers, and YouTube is smart, Google is smart, they can see that basically, you know, it's not legit. So they will disqualify you from being accepted into the YouTube partner program, which is devastating. Don't just try to get your hours a legit way, because honestly, that would be I can imagine that would be devastating. So don't do that. But yeah, basically I was accepted into the YouTube partner program. I'm basically a Google employee now. Like, I could put that on my CV. I'm a Google employee. So Google pays me on a monthly basis. Before I get into the actual numbers per month, let me tell you about how YouTube pays you for once you're accepted into the partner program. So the first thing is that you can put ads on your video. So what that means is you can basically, I'm sure you all see ads on my videos. Maybe you think they're annoying, but that's how I get paid. Don't skip them, okay? But that's how people get paid on YouTube. And the thing that they don't tell you is you have to go back onto each video that you've added and add ads onto the videos. So I had to go back. I think I had maybe 20 videos at that time. I had to go back and add videos. Maybe more than that. Add ads on every single video. And me, I added every single ad possible. So I added the skippable ads, I added the non-skippable ads, I added the banner ads, I added the mid-roll ads. Every ad that they have, I was like, nah, I want to get paid. I'm going to add that. And then since my video had maybe 20,000, 30,000 views at that point, I was super excited. That was the first video I monetized because it was really taking off at that point. And I thought like, oh, I'm going to get paid for all those 20,000 views that like I already had, you know? But no, they only pay you from the time that you put your ads on going forward. So that's something to know. It's called the estimated monetized playbacks, and that means maybe you had a video that has 400,000 views, but only 300,000 are monetized playbacks. So something to consider. But yeah, once you get accepted into that partner program, add ads on your video. Please do that. So I added them on every single video. Then I started looking at the analytics section. In the analytics section, it'll tell you how much you're getting paid. So one thing I learned is you get paid based on the location of the advertisers. So, and depending on where your subscribers are. So while I love my Nigerian subscribers, Nigeria does not pay. They do not pay at all. You can go to YouTube Studio and see how much they're paying you per location. So it's called CPM, which is cost per mil, which is basically cost per 1,000 views. Advertisers are gonna pay you this much per 1,000 views. So for example, my videos in Nigeria, my Nigerian subscribers, Nigerian advertisers are gonna advertise to them, right? So Nigerian advertisers pay $2 at this point in time. They pay $2.74 per 1,000 views. Really? And versus the States, who pays you $17.92 per 1,000 views at this point in time. So, you know, obviously you would rather your video go viral in the States than in Nigeria. However, I'm grateful to all you Nigerian followers, so don't stop watching. So the location of your viewership definitely matters. Another thing that matters is the type of content you're posting. So financial literacy videos pay you more than a beauty video would pay you. So my beauty video maybe has 200,000 views at this point. It's doing well, but if that was a financial literacy video, it would be doing so much better. So, and that's simply because the advertisers who are advertising on financial literacy channels think that my subscribers who are watching that video have more money, so that, I don't know how it works, but like they basically want to target my subscribers who are interested in financial literacy, because maybe they think you have more money and then you will spend it on their product or whatever. So they're willing to pay more for the financial literacy space than they are for the beauty space. Not a bad thing, but just something to note when you are creating your content. I also noticed that my fashion videos do not pay. They do not pay at all. I don't know if maybe it's a really saturated space or these fashion companies don't think they need to advertise or something, but yeah, the ads on my fashion videos have not paid well in the past at all. So while I love fashion, I'm sure you can tell the focus of my channel is financial literacy and real estate, because that's where the moolah's at. So let's get into the numbers. I'm gonna go into my YouTube studio. I have my laptop here, and I'm gonna tell you how much that I've made every single month. So you know that I've made about $4,000 US, but let's go into how much I've actually made per month on my YouTube channel. Okay, so we're gonna go into YouTube Studio, and I'm gonna get up close and personal so you guys can see how much I've actually made. So this is YouTube Studio. It tells you like different analytics over however long. It tells you how your most recent video is doing as well. And then you go into your analytics section. So in my analytics section, it says, okay, right now your video is doing as usual. Oops. Your channel is doing as usual. And here are the last 28 days, lifetime, blah, 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 blah. So if I go to lifetime, it shows that my estimated revenue is about $4,163, which is in US dollars, as I said. I asked to get paid in US dollars. Not sure if that makes a difference or not, but I asked to get paid in US dollars. So, and it can show you which your top videos have been. So mine has been a skincare video, travel, or real estate video, Forex. So these have been my top videos over some time, and the ones that are paying the most. So if you go into your revenue tab, you can see even more details. And let's go into the past 28 days so we can see like an accurate reflection. But in the last month, I have made about $432 US, which is about like maybe 600 something dollars Canadian. So that's how my revenue is looking at the moment. And here is the RPM. So RPM is revenue per mil, which tells you how much you've earned per 1,000 views. So the CPM, which is cost per mil, how much the advertisers are willing to pay you per 1,000 views. So let's see my top earning videos. As you can see, this month Mandelic Acid video has paid me about $200 US. This Forex has paid me about $50 US. So as I said, most videos do not pay well at all because I don't get that many views on my videos. So yeah, they don't pay that well. But let's go into the different types of ads that there are. So there are skippable ads, which allows people to skip them. There are bumper ads, which I always add to my videos. There are display ads, there are non-skippable ads. As you can see, skippable ads make up the majority of my revenue. And there's also other revenue that you can get from the type of account that that person has. So ad revenue makes up the majority of my revenue, as you can see. But if someone watches your video and they have YouTube Premium, you can also get paid from that. So if you have YouTube Premium, I appreciate your views, but not many people do have YouTube Premium. And lastly, transaction revenue. So if there was a membership program that I had on YouTube, which a lot of YouTubers do have, where those people get free access to your content and like they get early access to your content, then you can also get paid from that because they pay to be a member. Let's go into how much money I've made over the past year on YouTube. So September, I got monetized mid-month September, and I was paid $179. That right now, I'm looking at my bank account as well, but I was paid 237 Canadian dollars. Yeah. Because, yeah, as I said, this is all in US dollars. Then if I go into October, I was paid $535, which was about $707. So I was like, yo, YouTube pays well. But this is when my video was going like pretty viral at the time. So it was getting like 4,000 views every 2 days. Like it was ridiculous. So I was getting paid a lot from that beauty video. Then in November, I was paid $580 in Canadian, which US, which is about $757 Canadian. And another source of income that I have is I started using affiliate codes. So from my affiliate codes, I was paid $500 from EQ Bank because I had a referral code and I got people to sign up, and they got $20 and I got $20. So I maxed out and I got $500 from that program, I believe. I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure it's $500. So yeah, that's another way to get paid. And I think brand deals and affiliate programs are the way to get paid. Honestly, ads are good and all, they're a good income, but I think the real deal is when you have brand deals, because that can be like $500 for a video. You don't even have to like do anything else. It's just $500 for a video. So that's more than my whole ad income for the day, for the month. So it's easier to do one branded video than it is to rely on your ads for a source of income. The next month I had $583, which was about $748 that was deposited into my account. In January, I had this duppy number and I was paid $848 in my account. So that was a high earning month, the highest so far. That was because I started posting my savings plans and people really liked them and would check out my videos from there. So that was a great month, January. And then in February, I got paid $520, which was about 660 US Canadian at the time. And then in March, I got paid $508, which was about $640 at the time. So as you can see, and then in April, I got paid $507, which is about $640. So as you can see, you can make money on YouTube. Like, this is definitely good money. I would never say this is not good money. Like, this is lovely. I'm ecstatic that I'm making this much money off of just talking on this platform. However, it's not enough to live on if you live in a country like Canada, or especially in the GTA, Greater Toronto area. It is expensive, so it's not enough to live here, but it is good money. If you're getting on YouTube, remember, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It is not like an easy money thing. It requires time and effort, and my key has been that I have been consistent since day one. Except for when NSARS was happening and like it was a lot to handle. That's the only time I didn't post, but like I've been posting consistently since May of 2020, and it's May of 2021. Have not missed a week except for in October. So yeah, I am very happy about how far I've done, and I hope that next year I will be able to double this amount. So that's, yeah, this could become a full-time job. We'll see. But yeah, I'm very grateful for how far I've come. If you have any questions about my monetization journey, or if you wanna, anything you have, just let me know and I will answer your questions down below. Thank you all for watching and I hope you have a great day. Bye.